Hello viewers. Welcome back to our channel Bling Life. Today, we have an exclusive glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of one of the world's wealthiest individuals, Mukesh Ambani. Join us as we unveil the most expensive house on the planet. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things luxury. Now let's talk about the tycoon's empire. Mukesh Ambani, the formidable business tycoon and chairman of Reliance Industries, has meticulously crafted a sprawling empire that transcends industry boundaries. With a global footprint, Ambani's influence extends across a diverse spectrum of sectors, ranging from telecommunications to petrochemicals. His strategic vision and adept leadership have propelled Reliance Industries to the forefront of the business world. In the telecommunications sector, Ambani's brainchild, Reliance Jio, revolutionized the Indian market by offering affordable and high-speed data services, transforming the digital landscape. Simultaneously, his ventures in petrochemicals have positioned Reliance as a key player in the global energy market. Ambani's success is rooted in his ability to navigate dynamic market landscapes, foresee industry trends, and implement innovative business strategies. His empire-building journey reflects not only financial prowess but also a commitment to technological advancement and economic development. As a transformative figure, Mukesh Ambani's influence resonates globally, making him a titan in the business realm and a symbol of India's economic rise on the world stage. Inside Antilia, a glimpse of extravagance. Stepping into Antilia, Mukesh Ambani's residence and the world's most expensive house unveils a world of unparalleled extravagance. This architectural marvel is a symphony of opulence, where every detail reflects the epitome of luxury living. The grandeur of Antilia is evident in its breathtaking ballrooms, where elegance meets excess, and in the meticulously designed spaces that redefine residential splendor. The residence, situated in the heart of Mumbai, boasts awe-inspiring views that complement its extravagant interiors. Antilia stands as a testament to Mukesh Ambani's exceptional taste and affluence, with its architectural brilliance echoing a lifestyle of sheer indulgence. Each corner of this residence tells a story of wealth, sophistication, and an uncompromising commitment to a life of grandeur. Antilia's status as the most expensive house globally is not merely a result of its price tag, but a reflection of the opulent lifestyle it encapsulates. Mukesh Ambani's residence is more than a home, it's a symbol of the heights that can be reached when luxury and architectural ingenuity converge in a singular expression of extravagance. Moving to the next one is the tech haven. Antilia goes beyond opulence, it stands as a bold testament to being a tech haven. Mukesh Ambani has seamlessly woven cutting-edge technology into every facet of his residence. The house is a showcase of AI-driven systems and state-of-the-art security, providing a visionary glimpse into the future of smart living. Within Antilia's extravagant walls, artificial intelligence orchestrates an advanced ecosystem, enhancing the resident's experience with intuitive automation. Smart home features are seamlessly integrated, allowing for unprecedented control and customization. From climate settings to lighting, Ambani's residence exemplifies the marriage of luxury and technological innovation. The pinnacle of this technological integration lies in the state-of-the-art security systems. Antilia employs the latest advancements in surveillance and access control, setting a new standard for residential safety. In this tech haven, Mukesh Ambani not only embraces the lavish but also envisions a future where technology converges with luxury, creating a harmonious and intelligent living environment. The integration of cutting-edge tech within Antilia not only reflects Ambani's commitment to modernity but also positions his residence at the forefront of the evolving landscape of high-tech, luxurious living. Now let's see about fashion, art, and beyond. Mukesh Ambani's opulent lifestyle transcends architecture and technology, reaching into the realms of art and fashion that grace Antilia. Within its lavish walls, Ambani's discerning taste is on display through a curated collection of rare artifacts and couture fashion, creating a fusion of culture, elegance, and sophistication. Antilia serves not just as a residence but as a canvas for artistic expression. Rare and exquisite artifacts adorn its spaces, reflecting Ambani's appreciation for cultural richness and historical significance. The residence becomes a gallery, showcasing a tapestry of art that adds another layer to the narrative of luxury. The fusion extends into the world of fashion, where Antilia becomes a showcase for couture masterpieces. Ambani's impeccable taste in clothing and design is evident in the carefully selected pieces that grace the residence. It's a celebration of craftsmanship and style that mirrors the synthesis of cultural influences within the broader context of luxury living. In Mukesh Ambani's world, Antilia becomes a testament to a lifestyle that goes beyond material abundance, embracing the finer aspects of human creativity and expression. The integration of rare art and high fashion not only elevates the aesthetic appeal of the residence but also reflects Ambani's commitment to creating a living space that is a harmonious blend of the finest cultural and artistic elements. Last but not least, let's talk about social impact and philanthropy. Beyond the allure of opulence, it is crucial to underscore Mukesh Ambani's dedication to social impact and philanthropy. His charitable endeavors and substantial contributions to education and healthcare reveal a compassionate facet of this influential tycoon. Mukesh Ambani's philanthropic initiatives extend a helping hand to communities in need, reflecting a deep sense of social responsibility. By investing in education, he contributes to shaping a brighter future, offering opportunities for growth and development. Similarly, his contributions to healthcare initiatives signify a commitment to enhancing the well-being of the less privileged. Amidst the grandeur of his lifestyle, Ambani's philanthropic efforts paint a different picture, a narrative of compassion and a commitment to making a positive impact on society. The tycoon's involvement in social causes reflects an understanding of the broader responsibilities that come with immense success and wealth. In acknowledging Mukesh Ambani's philanthropy, we recognize that behind the opulent facade lies a dedication to addressing societal needs, contributing to the betterment of lives, and embodying the principle that true wealth goes beyond material prosperity. It encompasses a genuine concern for the welfare of others. And there you have it, a glimpse into the extraordinary life of Mukesh Ambani and the most expensive house in the world. What are your thoughts on this lavish lifestyle? Drop your comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive content. Until next time, stay tuned to Bling Life.